Hi, everybody. I am so excited to submit this overview of my proposal for 2026 South by Southwest. Here's a little bit about me. I am Dawn Paul, also known as the Dr. Dawn. I'm a certified life coach, speaker, author, and I am also the proud founder and owner of Obsessed with Media, a marketing, communications, and media company. These are some of the platforms I have been featured on, but let's get right into it. My proposal is the digital detox experience, right? It is good. I'm telling you, I'm so excited. I recently presented this to some employees at Microsoft. It went so well, and I want to provide this same experience specifically for the South by Southwest audience. But it's all about helping you unplug, recharge, and have a more balanced relationship with technology. We know we need technology, but are there some unhealthy digital habits that you may have that is keeping you from your well-being? And look, see these people in this presentation deck? Have you ever had this face? Looking at your phone, at your laptop at work, it might be time for a digital detox. Or you're saying, you know what? I don't need a digital detox. I'm good. Are you good? This workshop, we're going to have some interactive activities and we're going to do some things to bring out whether or not do you need a digital detox? Do you have an unhealthy relationship with technology? So we're going to talk about it. Yeah, we're going to talk about it. But let's get into the takeaways. We're going to talk about some changes you can make that's going to boost focus, your mental well-being, and your personal and professional connections. And also, we're going to talk about the workplace, creative ways that the workplace can encourage healthier digital habits. We're going to talk about that. It's very important. Many of these companies say, "Hey, we want our employees to have peace," but are they contributing to employees having digital burnout? And then also, we're going to do some activities that's going to help identify digital triggers, helping you set boundaries, and helping design a personalized digital detox plan that is best for your life. So that's what this is about. I'm excited. It's going to be a no judgment zone. Okay. Of course, we're going to have fun. I like to have fun. And we're going to have some good giveaways. And you're going to walk away with, just a great resource to help you do the digital detox in your own time, right? So that way you can be successful in this long after the conference, okay? But I want to thank you for your consideration and your time. Hope to see you in Austin next year.